Cough gets a cold.
Cough is at school, at science class.
His partner is sick and coughing.
Oh well, he thinks, no biggie.
Cough is walking home.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie. How was school?
Good, but I'm hungry.
Okay, I'll get some food.
Mom, I don't feel so good.
Oh no, do you want medicine?
Ah,
My baby, no!
where am I?
What's good, man?
Who are you?
I'm a genie. I can grant you a wish.
Really?
Sure, what's up?
I'm sick and I don't feel so good.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, I feel better.
See ya, dog.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, she coming!
Oof.
Are you okay, my baby?